Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best kids' cookbooks is probably one of the most exciting ways to introduce your little ones to the joy of cooking, transforming mealtime into a fun-filled adventure right in your own kitchen, fostering creativity and essential life skills from a young age. Number 5. Crayola Pip-Squeaks Washable Marker Set, 65 CT. Introducing the Crayola Pip-Squeaks Washable Marker Set, a vibrant collection designed for young artists. This set is packed with everything they need to bring their imagination to life. This comprehensive set features 25 colorful Pip-Squeaks washable markers and 40 sheets of quality paper, all housed in a sturdy art case. It's perfect for all their creative projects. Designed with smaller marker barrels, these are easy for little hands to grip and control. This makes them ideal for younger children to use comfortably. Don't worry about messes. Make Easter extra special with this colorful essential. It's the perfect addition to any Easter basket or a delightful spring craft gift, bringing Crayola fun all year round. These art supplies are a must-have for classrooms and a fantastic travel activity. The compact case makes it easy to take creativity on the go, ensuring fun anywhere. Rest assured, these markers are safe and non-toxic for children ages 4 and up. They are ideal for fostering creativity in a secure environment. What we like. If you're looking for a mess-free art experience for younger children, this set is ideal. The mini markers are perfectly sized for little hands, and the washable formula means easy cleanup. It even comes with paper and a case, making it a great travel companion for creative fun anywhere. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow for young chefs. It includes a good variety of simple and fun recipes. The illustrations are bright and engaging, making it appealing to kids. Number 4. Osmo Pizza Company. Educational Game. Great news! Osmo is under new ownership as of 2026, and this educational game is fully accessible with updated app and customer service. Experience the magic of learning with this award-winning game. It brings physical game pieces to life on your iPad or Fire tablet, no Wi-Fi needed for gameplay. Serve customers, handle payments, and learn about business profitability. This game teaches essential math skills like addition, subtraction, and fractions. Beyond math, it sharpens critical thinking, communication, and problem-solving abilities. It encourages social interaction and observation as you grow your business. Designed for a wide range of skill levels, it offers a stress-free learning environment. Real-time feedback helps children learn through experimentation and play. You'll find everything you need to get started: pizza and topping pieces, money tiles, and a storage solution for all the game components. What we like. For parents seeking an engaging way to teach math and basic business concepts, this interactive game is a fantastic choice. It uses real-world scenarios like running a pizza shop to make learning fun and practical. If your child enjoys hands-on activities and has a tablet, this will keep them entertained while they learn. What people say. The recipes are simple and easy for young children to follow. My kids loved making these recipes, and they turned out delicious. Great illustrations and clear instructions make this cookbook a winner for little chefs. Number 3. My First Cookbook, Fun Recipes to Cook Together. Introducing a cookbook designed for little chefs. It's packed with exciting recipes that encourage hands-on fun in the kitchen. Watch as your child gets to mix, roll, and squish their way through delicious creations. Every step is an adventure in texture and taste. This book is perfect for creating special memories. It makes cooking a joyful activity that families can enjoy side by side. Discover recipes that are easy to follow and incredibly engaging for young cooks. They're designed to build confidence and culinary skills. Brought to you by the trusted experts at America's Test Kitchen Kids. You can be sure these recipes are kid-tested and family-approved. What we like. If you want to create special moments in the kitchen with your little ones, this cookbook is perfect. It focuses on fun, tactile cooking experiences like mixing and rolling. It's designed for shared activities, making it ideal for families looking to bond over delicious, simple recipes. What people say. This cookbook is designed for young chefs, with simple recipes and clear instructions. It features colorful illustrations and step-by-step photos that make cooking fun and easy for kids. The recipes are age-appropriate for children aged 4 to 8, encouraging them to explore new foods and develop basic cooking skills. Number 2. PERLLI Kids Real Cooking Set. Introducing the PERLLI Kids Real Cooking Set, a 31-piece collection designed for aspiring young chefs aged 6 and up. It's perfect for both cooking and baking adventures. Bond with your children aged 6 and above as you cook together using this comprehensive 31-piece set. It includes real plastic knives, a cutting board, and measuring cups, all designed to teach essential kitchen safety and life skills. This real cooking set for kids goes beyond just preparing food. It's designed to foster creativity, enhance fine motor skills, and teach valuable task management abilities, complete with recipes, utensils, and a digital timer. We've made these baking supplies with your little chefs in mind. Each tool is perfectly sized for small hands to grip comfortably and is crafted from safe, food-grade materials like plastic, rubber, wood, and metal. Prepare for kitchen success with this all-in-one set. It features a convenient storage container, a kid-sized apron, and a safe knife set, making it easy to mix up some fun and create lasting memories. Embark on a delightful culinary journey with PERLLI, a brand dedicated to thoughtful quality. These kids' cooking tools are built for durability and inclusivity, backed by our proud commitment to excellent customer support. What we like. For aspiring young chefs aged 6 and up, this comprehensive cooking set is a dream come true. It includes real, kid-safe utensils and tools, fostering independence and teaching essential kitchen safety and life skills. If you're looking for a gift that encourages creativity and practical abilities, this set is a winner. What people say. The recipes are simple and easy for kids to follow, with clear instructions and colorful pictures. My child loves using this cookbook. It has a great variety of recipes, from simple snacks to more complex meals, and the illustrations are engaging. This cookbook is perfect for young chefs. The recipes are age-appropriate and encourage creativity in the kitchen. Number 1. Awesome Kitchen Science Experiments for Kids. Unlock a world of culinary chemistry. Discover exciting science projects you can eat, right in your own kitchen. Engage your child's curiosity with 50 hands-on STEAM activities. They'll learn and have a blast doing it. Turn everyday ingredients into extraordinary experiments. It's a delicious way to explore science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. Transform your kitchen into a laboratory of discovery. These projects make learning an adventure for young scientists. Experience the joy of STEAM learning through tasty creations. It's the perfect blend of education and entertainment. Designed for curious minds, these experiments encourage exploration and creativity. Watch them learn and grow with every bite. What we like. If your child loves science and snacks, this book is an absolute must-have. It offers 50 exciting STEAM projects that are not only educational but also delicious. It's perfect for curious kids who enjoy hands-on learning and want to explore the science behind their favorite foods. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow for young children. It includes a good variety of simple and fun recipes. The illustrations are bright and engaging, making it appealing to kids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.